Hi guys, on this video I'm going to show you the best way to clean your laptop's keyboard and ensure it's as clean as the one that we have right in front of us. The first thing that you have to do, find a soft piece of cloth like this and then put it on water or even soapy water. And then after that, ensure that you rinse it tightly so that it doesn't have any water or any liquid coming out from this material. Use it to wipe gently on top of this key. Ensure it doesn't have any water at all, because any water spill on the keys will definitely short circuit the keys, and if one of the keys fail to function, you have short circuited the whole keyboard. You'll have to replace it, so you have to be keen with that. Secondly, you have to have a brush like this. Use this particular brush to brush gently underneath these keys we have right over here. Just brush softly, brush softly. After you've brushed, what you have to do is turn the laptop upside down like this, and then you use your palm, place it underneath where we have the keyboard like this, and then you just beat it up like this. You can hear the sound so that the dust comes out from the keyboard. Don't use air blow dry because it will burn the keys we have right over here. If you have sticky keys, maybe one of the keys is sticky and it's not functioning properly, probably there's something that is underneath the key, or there's a liquid that spill and it makes it sticky. Now you'll have to remove this key carefully, clean beneath it, and then place it back. So how do you do that? Assuming we have letter G that is not functioning properly, what you do is use either a sharp object, or maybe if you have long nails like mine, place them under the key like letter G like this, from the bottom, not from the top but from the bottom. Once you have your nail clipped in like that, gently pull up the key from the whole of the lower part. You do it gently like this, don't force anything, just be gentle with it, and then you have the key removed. Ensure as you remove the key, these two clips remain back in position because they're the ones that hold back this key. This is how underneath your key look like. Then you have your brush, you can brush it, clean that area well. We have this particular rubber here that the key presses on. This is what makes the key to function. Without this rubber, without the rubber we have down there, then that key won't function properly. Clean it up. Then after that, put back your key in the right direction of the G. As usual, place it just on top there. Ensure it's well balanced on top like we have it there. Press it down gently and evenly from all angles, and ensure you hear that clipping sound. Now let's do it. Now done. See, it's well in, and it doesn't look like it has been removed. That's how you clean it up. But remember, it's a very sensitive and a very serious procedure that you have to be so keen on. If you don't trust yourself with it, don't remove the keys, because you'll end up spoiling your keyboard, and you'll be using your laptop without some keys. Because if you break the clips on this particular key, it won't be able to stick here like the way you see right over here. That is it, guys. If you found this video helpful and useful, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe to this account. See you next time. My name is Kingston, and this is Kingston Churchill Tech. Bye bye.